Okay, so here the question is if 10a is equal to minus 15 and 25 sine b is equal to minus 7 and neither a nor b is in the fourth quadrant, then show that sine a into cos b plus cos a into sine b is equal to minus 304 by 425. So here we have to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay boys, what we have to show? We have to show that left hand side is equal to right hand side. 4. So here what we have to do? Only we have to find sine A cos B cos A sine B with the help of tan A and sine B. Understood boys? Okay, so this is our target, to find sine A cos B cos A sine B with the help of tan A and sine B. Now see here in the question 10a, 10a is given, so I can write 10a will be minus 15 by 8. Okay, so here 10a is given, that is minus 15 by 8, and here the second part is given that 25 sine b is equal to minus 7. 25 sine b is equal to minus 7, so sine b can be equal to minus 7 by 25. So by these two terms we have to know sine A cos B cos A sine B. Okay, from tan A we have to find sine A and cos A, and from sine B we have to find cos A. Okay, so from tan A we have to find sine A and cos A, and from sine B we have to find only cos A. So here if we have these all values sine A cos A, and here we have sine B, if we have these four values, then we are able to find these values. Understood boys? This is our target to find, and this is once we have no sine A cos A, sorry, this will be cos B. So here once we have no sine A cos B and cos A sine B, then we are able to find this. So here the second thing is given in the question, A and B is not in the fourth quadrant. Okay, so here 10a, so here 10a negative will be in second quadrant and fourth quadrant, but in the question that is given that 10a is not in fourth quadrant, that means 10 negative will be in second quadrant. Okay, and sine b is sine b negative, sine negative in only in third quadrant and fourth quadrant, but in the question that is given that sine b is not in the fourth quadrant, that means it will be in third quadrant. Okay, okay, so see here we have to know sine a. First of all, what we have to know? Sine a. Okay, so and from we have to know from 10a, from 10a we have to find sine a. Okay, so here this is the formula that is called trigonometry identity. Okay, so from trigonometry identity I can write sec square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a, and we know the value of tan square 10 10 a is nothing but 10a is nothing but minus 15 by 8. Okay, then here we have to take square, then take square and take LCM, then you will get sec square a. Sec square a is nothing but 289 by 64, and if I'm taking square root, then I will get sec a is equal to 17 by 8. Okay, now since sec a in second quadrant, here the condition is given that a is in second quadrant, so the angle a is in second quadrant, so sec, if sec will be in second quadrant, then that will be minus, because sec a in second quadrant, that's why we are taking here minus. Okay, so here we got sec a, and from sec a from sec A, the reciprocal of sec A will be equal to cos A. Okay, so just reciprocate this value, then you will be finding cos A. So here we found the first value cos A from 10A, from 10A. So here you found cos A from 10A. Okay, this is our target, to find cos A from 10A. So here we find cos A. Now we have to find sin A. So we know the formula, tan A is equal to sin A by cos A. Okay, so if I'm taking sin A in right hand side and all the terms I'm taking in left hand side, then I know here tan A and cos A, and then whenever I will multiply these two things, then I will get sin A. So here sin A will be equal to, if I am simplifying this, so here these 8 will get cancelled and minus into minus will be plus, then here we will have minus 15 by 17. So here we found sin A. Okay boys, now after this we found cos A and sin A, sin A from tan A. Okay, so here our half target has completed, because we have found sin A and cos A. Now here we have to find only cos B. So here for finding cos B, I'm going to use sin B. Okay, sin B is nothing but, okay, so here we have identity formula. This is trigonometry identity. Okay, so here from identity I know psi is nothing but 7 by 25. So here if I'm taking square of this, then square of 7 is nothing but 49, and 25 square is nothing but 625. Then here I will take LCM, then I'm going to find cos square B is equal to 576 by 625. Then if I'm taking square root of cos B, then I will get 24 by 25. So here, and since cos B in the third quadrant, I know cos is positive in only first quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is positive in only first quadrant and fourth quadrant, but cos B in the cos B lying in the third quadrant. That's why we are taking minus. So here cos B we got minus 24 by 25. Okay, so here we found all the required value that are going to be used. Okay, so according to the question, if I am taking this left hand side and this is right hand side, so in left hand side sin A into cos B plus cos A into sin B. Okay, so this is left hand side. So here I found sin A cos B, cos A sin B. I put all the values and I simplify all those things. Okay, so here see here sin A is nothing but 15 by 17, and into cos B is nothing but minus 24 by 25, plus cos A is nothing but 8 by 17, and here minus 7 by 25. Okay, so if I'm multiplying 15 into 24, then I will get 360 minus 360, and here 8 by 7 is nothing but 57, and 17 into 25 is nothing but 425. So minus 360 plus 56 will be equal to minus 300 by 24. This is our right hand side. So here we showed that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Boys, in this question, do you have any doubt? Let me know fast, boys. Okay, okay. Very good, very good. So this is the this question is very easy. Just you have to use what are the given. From given you have to find all the required value that is going to be used. Okay. So here I am making a video. I am recording this video, and I will try to send these all screen PDF format to you. Okay, after having finished the class. Okay, now the second question is very easy question, and one of part I'm going to give you as a homework, but one part of this question I'm going to solve and I'm going to explain to you. Okay, so the question is, if A, B, C, D are angle of cyclic quadrilateral, then prove that sine A minus sine C is equal to sine D minus sine B. This is the question. So just see in the question what are the givens. The given thing is A, B, C, D are angle of cyclic quadrilateral. Suppose here I made one diagram, you can see here. See, this is the quadrilateral. So in the quadrilateral, if I'm supposing the angle of quadrilateral ABC, then if ABCD are angle of cyclic quadrilateral, then sum of opposite angles. Opposite angle means opposite, it can be A and C and B and D. So opposite angle, it could be AC and B and D. Okay. So the sum of opposite angle is nothing but 180 degree. So here the opposite angle is nothing but angle angle A, and angle will be equal to 1. Okay. And angle B and angle D will be equal to 180, because the sum of opposite angle is nothing but 180 degree. So here I gave equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from equation number 1, I can write A plus C is equal to 180 degree. Then I can write A is equal to 180 degree minus C. Okay. Then if I'm applying sine both sides, then I will have sine A is equal to sine 180 minus C. Okay. So here I know the formula, the second quadrant formula, that is nothing but sine 180 minus C. That is here, this is the angle is lying in the second quadrant. So if this is lying in the second quadrant, that means sine will be positive. So sine A is equal to sine C. And if I'm uh, taking sine C in left hand side, that I will have sine A minus sine C is equal to 0. And I gave the equation number 3. And from equation number 2, angle B and angle D is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So here I can write B is equal to 180 by minus D. And if I am applying sine both sides, then I will have sine B is equal to sine 180 minus D. And then sine 180 minus D is nothing but sine D. And if I am taking sine D in left hand side, then I will have sine B minus sine D is equal to 0. So you can see in equation number 3, this term is equal to 0 and this term is equal to 0. So from equation number 3 and 4, these two equations are equal. So here I wrote here sine A minus sine C is equal to sine B minus sine D from equation number 3 and 4. So this is we have to show. Understood, boys? Boys, understood? Boys, give me reply fast. If you give me reply fast, then I will try to explain fastly. Okay. See, don't hesitate to ask me. If you have any kind of problem, then you can ask me at any time. And one thing I would try to tell you that if you have any doubt, then you can come to college and you can ask like as a physical class. Okay. But the thing is, you have to tick, or you have to like write your doubts and problems, and then come to me. I will try to explain you as a offline. Okay, so here we are going to move our next question. The next question is, okay, so see the second part of this question, that is B, is homework, is homework. So you have to solve B question. The question is cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D, cos C plus cos D is equal to 0. You have to apply same thing what I have applied here. You have to write each and every step that I have written here. Okay, so this is homework. This question, cos A plus cos B plus cos C plus cos D is equal to 0. Okay. Okay, now moving on next question. The next question is if A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to C, then show that A sin theta plus B cos theta is equal to plus minus A under root of A square plus B square minus C square. Okay, so here first of all, what are the givens? The given thing is A cos theta minus B sin theta is equal to C. Okay, so here we gave equation number 1, and we have to find these A sin theta plus B cos theta. What we have to find? We have to find A sin theta plus B cos theta. So here I assume that these term is equal to K. This term is equal to K. Now this is very easy question. You have to just assume that what you are going to find, and you have to add and square. Okay, so here I added and squared equation 1 and 2, adding and squaring equation 1 and 2. Okay, just square and add them. So here C square will be is equal to K square, and here I open the bracket. After open the bracket, here I have to take open the bracket here. So here this will be A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta and minus 2A cos theta B sin theta, and after opening this bracket you will have A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta plus 2A sin theta into B cos theta. Okay, so after opening this bracket, these two values will get cancelled, minus 2A cos theta B sin theta, and here 2A sin theta into B cos theta. These two values will get cancelled. Now you have to take common A square from here. Okay, so after taking A square common here, you will have A square cos square plus sin square, and if you are taking B square common from here to here, then you will have sin square theta plus cos square theta. So I know the value of sin square plus cos square theta is nothing but 1, and here also sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So here I found that C square theta plus K square theta is equal to A square. Okay, let me write a clear. Okay, so here A square, that will be 1, plus B square, that will be 1. Okay, now here just take all the terms, all the things in left hand side and right hand side. So here I will have k square is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. Okay, if I am taking square root, then I will have k is equal to a square plus b square minus c square. And here what I assumed here, I assumed here k is nothing but a sine theta plus b cos theta. So here I wrote a sine theta plus b cos theta is equal to under root of a square plus b square minus c square. So here we here we here we have we have shown that this left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, boys, in this question, do you have any doubt? In this question, just you have to do, first of all, you have to assume and you have to take square and add them and then simplify them, then you will get answer. Okay, now anyone is there who has doubt in this question? Okay, okay, no doubt, very good. Now the next question is same question. So here I'm going to give you this question as a homework. Okay, so here I'm not going to solve this question. You have to apply the same procedure in this question also, then you will get the answer. Just I will try to explain very rapidly. Okay, so here the question is given that 3 sine a plus 5 cos a is equal to 5, then show that 5 sine a minus 3 cos a is equal to plus minus 3. Okay, now the given that 3 sine a plus 5 cos a is equal to 5. I gave the equation number 1. Okay, now here I have to find 5 sine a minus 3 cos a. So here I assume that 5 sine a minus 3 cos a is equal to k. Okay, I assume that. Now here what I have done in the last question, I just did I squared and add them. So here I'm going to do same thing. Okay, so here squaring and adding them. So here I squared and add them. Just square is just square and add them and simplify them, and then you are going to get the answer. Okay, so here the answer will be k is equal to k square is equal to 9, and then k is equal to plus minus 3. Okay, so this is your question, this is your homework, you have to solve. Okay, now moving on next question. The next question is, if tan square theta is equal to 1 minus e square, then show that sec theta plus tan cube theta into cosec theta is equal to 2 minus e square bracket power 3 by 2. Okay, okay. So first of all, what is the given? The given thing is tan square theta is equal to 1 minus e square. So we gave equation number 1. Now, so what we have to show? These left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so first of all I will take left hand side. So in left hand side I have sec theta plus tan cube theta and into cosec theta. So here I know the reciprocal of sec theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta, and I know that tan theta is equal to sine by cos. So here tan cube theta, that means sine cube theta by cos cube theta, and I know the reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1 by sine theta. Okay, so here that sine and here one sine, this one sine will get cancelled. So here I will have sine square, and if I'm taking LCM here, then I have to multiply cos square in numerator. Okay, then here we will have cos cube theta. Then I will take common here, then here I will have cos square plus sine square theta and cos cube theta. So this value will be is equal to 1. This value will be equal to 1 cos of trigonometry identity. So here I will have 1 by cos cube theta, and is it 1 by cos cube theta is nothing but sec cube theta. Reciprocal of cos is nothing but sec cube theta. So here we have given equation number 2. Okay, so here what we have to know, what we have to find here, we have to find sec theta. What? Sec theta. Sec theta. We have sec cube theta, but we have to know here sec theta. If we know the sec theta, then our problem has solved. Okay, so for finding sec theta, I have to use these given values. Okay, now just come here from equation number 1. So equation number 1 here, from equation number 1 we are able to find sec theta. Okay, so here we used trigonometry identity. So trigonometry identity is nothing but tan square plus tan square theta plus 1 is equal to sec square theta. So here I what is tan square theta will be equal to sec square theta minus 1, and I know tan square theta will be given 1 minus e square. Okay, I know this value is coming from trigonometry identity, and this value has given tan square. Okay, so if I'm taking sec square theta in left hand side, then I will have 1, sorry, this will be positive, this will be positive. Okay, so here I will have sec square theta will be is equal to 2 minus e square. Okay, and if I'm taking square root, then I will have sec theta equal to 2 minus e square bracket power 1 by 2. Okay, if I'm putting this value in the equation number 2, then I will have sec cube theta will be equal to this, and that is see here, sec cube theta is nothing but left hand side. Sec cube theta is nothing but left hand side, and sec cube theta is equal to this value, and that value is right hand side. That value is in right hand side. So here we have proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, boys, do you have any doubt in this question? If you have any doubt, then let me know fast. Okay, so boys, uh, okay, so here we have only 5 minutes to finish this class. So I wanted to solve one more question in 5 minutes, and we are going to solve the rest of question in in the tomorrow's class. Okay, so the next problem is here I have to write the next problem. The next problem is Roman third question. Roman third first question. Roman third first question is that prove following first question is tan theta sec theta minus 1, that is tan theta minus sec theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So here, boys, we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. So here we have only 3 minutes. So just focus on this question. So here the solution will be in left hand side. The given part is in left hand side, that is given that tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 and tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, so here I know, just see here, I know the trigonometry identity. Trigonometry identity is nothing but sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Then here I will have sine, then cot square theta plus 1 by cosec square theta, and then tan square theta plus 1 sec square theta. These three are the trigonometry identity. Okay, so here I can use this trigonometry identity, that is 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, I can write sec square theta minus tan square theta on the place of 1. Okay, so here I'm going to write here the thing is tan square theta plus sec square theta minus, that is, sorry, this is sec square theta minus tan square theta. Okay, and here tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Here we have one more formula, that is, if I know the formula of this is nothing but a minus b in another bracket a plus b. So here I'm going to use this formula here. Then we will have tan theta plus sec theta, and here we will have sec theta minus tan theta, and here sec theta plus tan theta. Okay, boys, within a minute it is going to be finished. So here just see here tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, now these value uh, okay, so here first of all I'm going to take common tan theta plus sec theta. Tan theta plus sec theta I'm going to take common from here. Then I will have 1 minus sec theta minus